out. And then he wins the wheel. And when he wins the wheel, okay, now Thomas is chugging along. Roadside, he's chugging up. That Thomas came down. He got back out. He was chugging up, but he fell down. So he was chugging backwards. He fell down. Oh no! What will happen? And then he got pushed. And then this cool king, his name was Lightening the King. And this guy was trying to sleep, so he trusted him. So he went in his thing and went in. Then he came up. He jumped on it. Then he just rolled out and got back in and closed his shed. And then the lightning came up. And the other lightning went over here. And then the other lightning was zooming on top. And then he was chugging over here. Racing over here. And then something popped out right in this minute. And this happened, and Thomas was blowing this up. And then he was out of this door. Then he was chugging along. He put his brakes on. And then Thomas had to get killed. Thomas had to get killed. Thomas had to get killed. So he went out. He chugged out. Then he called the help inspector. He got out. Then he chugged back out. He got fixed. And then he goes up, and then the doctor said he might have to get some sleep in there.
Okay, night-night.